If you think flagship power has to come at flagship prices, think again. This is the POCO X6 Pro, and it might just be the budget beast of 2025. Let's find out why. Also, if you're curious about its successor, the POCO X7, check out my last video. Links in the description. First up, the design. POCO X6 Pro looks and feels premium with its bold color options and matte finish. It doesn't just look good, it feels great in hand. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate is smooth, vibrant, and perfect for gaming or streaming. Now let's talk performance. Powered by the MediaTek Dimensity, 8300 Ultra, and up to 12 GB of RAM, this phone handles heavy tasks without breaking a sweat. Genshin Impact? No problem. Multitasking? Smooth and fast. On the back, you get a 64MP main camera with optical image stabilization. It delivers solid photos in most conditions with surprisingly good night mode. Front camera? Decent. Video stabilization? Much better than expected at this price. The 5000 mAh battery is paired with 67W turbocharging, taking you from 0 to full in under 45 minutes. Running MIUI 14 or HyperOS, the software feels responsive, with some bloatware but plenty of customization. Face unlock and fingerprint sensors are fast and reliable, adding to the user-friendly experience. If you're enjoying this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. So here's the breakdown. Excellent performance. Beautiful AMOLED display. Fast charging camera performance is decent, but not mind-blowing. Some software bloat. Let me know in the comments, would you pick the POCO X6 Pro or wait for the POCO X7? Thanks for watching. And remember, check out my full breakdown of the POCO X7, linked in the description.